Today we're going to be unboxing the August Allure Beauty Box. And it's a monthly beauty box with usually 5 full-size products, but it's between 5 to 7 products. They come with the magazine. They come nicely packaged with tissue paper. And you can have add-ons from the store before, you check out, and you get to choose usually one item, usually like it could be like a choice between a moisturizer, cream, serum, or you choose like a lipstick shade. So you get to customize one product, and then you can add on extra products if you want, and then you don't have to pay for shipping. So I actually got the Blake Brown Wild Nectar Santel hair mask, which was in a previous box. I really like how it smells.
I like that too.
It doesn't weigh down any like waves or curls in your hair. So let's get into what's in this month's box.
Okay. Ooh, yeah, I like this. So the first thing that we got is an eyeshadow. It's called Half Magic Eyeshadow Singles, and there's Sparkle Puff, Possessed Pearl, or Tickle Spell. And was this the one we got to decide?
This was the one we got to choose. I got, I think I have your box.
Actually, this is my box. Yeah.
Okay, so we'll switch.
I don't think anything's, okay, maybe the color of the eyeshadow.
Yeah, because you got Possessed Pearl and I got Sparkle Puff.
So this is it looks like it's a compostable cardboard packaging, and then the idea is you add it to
a makeup. And I think this is sold at Sephora and it retails for $15. So I had Sparkle Puff. You had, what shade was it? Possessed Pearl.
Possessed Pearl. Here you could put it there.
This almost feels like an egg carton.
It does, yes. That's what I'm saying. It must be compostable packaging.
Puff. Okay, so this is Sparkle Puff. This is Possessed Pearl.
To recycle or compost compact, remove pan from paper. Add pan to Half Magic Forever palette to create your own palette. Yeah, so this is compostable. Okay. Very cool.
So this looks really pretty on.
I really like this. I would have never chosen this brand, but look at this, the wet look sheen. I'm sure even if you applied it more like wet, it would be even stronger. Yeah, but I was surprised. So like $15, I kind of am over eyeshadow singles, but this is really pretty.
And yeah, I was gonna say we got a crayon by them a few months ago.
Oh, is that
the
green?
Same brand? And they do sparkles really well. The next product is Medicate Liquid Peptides, and this is a retail value of $68.
Oh wow!
So
what's in it?
It's a liquid that you would use after your moisturizer. Before applying your moisturizer. 30% multi-peptide complex. Whatever that. Is it plastic? Oh, it's glass. It's glass. It says line smoothing serum. Oh, it looks quite sticky. Like, I don't know if you're...
I wonder what's actually in it though. After cleansing in the morning and evening, apply across the face. A hydrating serum infused with 10 potent peptides to help improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So it's got vitamin C to brighten, sunscreen to protect, and vitamin A renew.
There's really no way. Scent.
No. This is their CSA policy. Okay, so this is saying complete Medic 8 CSA policy or philosophy.
Compliments.
Yeah, right. Use it. Yep, exactly. So use a retinoid with vitamin A, vitamin C plus SPF in the day. Okay, so it absorbed quickly. It doesn't smell like anything. It's like watery, but it's definitely like a kind of like sticky texture, but it doesn't feel sticky now that it's dried down. This will be exciting to try out. I mean, something else to add before putting makeup on.
I'm just happy this month there was no bronzer or blush. And so I feel like, okay, a serum, that's great. And then a mascara. This is by Athr Beauty, the Comeback Mascara. And this is a retail value of $28. It says it's lash lifting.
This looks like a good brush head.
Oh, it does look pretty nice.
Yep,
I was gonna say, I'm not gonna try it right now because my mascara, but like, look at how beautiful that shimmer is from that sparkle puff.
Yeah, for me, this was the eyeshadow so far has been the highlight of the box. We haven't tested anything else out, but
so far, like all three of those are full size. The next one is Dr. Brid C Barrier Defense Basic Cream. This is a retail value of $20, and this is, I think, a full size as well.
It says it's clinically developed for sensitive skin, featuring proprietary 12-hour vitamin C and Brid technology. Okay, and then it's got a bunch of.
Okay, I'm still trying to open it. Okay.
Strengthens skin's moisture barrier with deep hydration. And then there's a special code and a limited time offer.
I like that it's sealed. Okay, so this is the Barrier Defense Cream. It has a nice little squeezy tube. I like that this looks like it would just sit nicely on your countertop. It won't roll around. There's really no fragrance.
So it looks like this little QR code is 20 up to, maybe this is the QR code for 28% off.
Oh, this is really nice. Yeah, layered on top of that peptide.
Yeah, I feel like you could use both of those together. So it smells good. How many? It's not even a full ounce. Okay.
It smells like nothing, which is really nice because I don't get this defends at 40,000 feet drier than
I think it's trying to say that it can handle any extreme, right?
Right. The next one is the Teleties flat hair clip.
Oh, are these the same color? No?
Oh no, yours is like a creamy orange, like a pale
like a
peach.
Okay.
And mine's a white. So I guess they had 4 different colors. And they're between $12.99 to $14.99. It's just a hair clip.
Well, it says it's the flat clip reinvented, bendable teeth, stronghold, all day comfort. Yeah, mine is almond beige.
Mine's coconut white.
Oh, well, that's okay. I guess it's they're all good colors actually.
I think this is fun. Like, I think this box has nice products, new products, things that are really usable. These are big clips.
I don't know how you would even use it. I don't know what you would do. Would you go?
Wait. I don't know.
Oh, that's pretty.
Can you see it? Okay.
Yeah, it's better than what I was coming up with.
So yeah, I mean, it feels nice.
I don't know. It's pretty. You know what? It's something, again, I would never purchase.
I was gonna say, they chose your color, and so all of those look really pretty. I mean, definitely it's nice. Claw clips are great until it's time to drive, watch TV, take a Pilates class, or do just about anything.
It is,
with a headrest.
It is bendable. More bendable than like a normal.
Teleties reimagines the trendy hair accessory with a flat back design that sits snugly against your head while still keeping strands securely in place. So yeah, this would definitely, like, you wouldn't be as annoyed if you were driving the car.
I guess the way I wear claw clips though, I literally
yeah, this is nice.
did that capture it?
It did. Yeah, that looks pretty.
Yeah, go down a little bit lower.
It's not pretty from the front though. No, it is, but wow. And then
from here,
the last product.
Washington.
The last product is a commodity milk expressive or juice expressive. So it's funny, she got juice, I got milk. It's a 5 milliliter included in the box, but $34. It's a 5 milliliter included in the box, but $34 is the retail for for a 10 milliliter.
Does yours say on the side, Scent Space Expressive?
It does say Scent Space Expressive.
Okay.
So
I thought maybe this is for... Okay, I thought maybe Juice was expressive. But yeah,
I guess... I think the milk smells really... Like, it smells creamy. It's not like... Compared to the Bath and Body Works milk, this is definitely... It's good.
This,
like,
Juice...
we've sprayed these before, so there's still, like, fragrance.
Yeah.
The juice is, like, fruity, powdery.
I mean, it's very... I don't smell any... I do like mandarin-based perfumes. Oh my god. Let's see. So it says for milk, expressive, a warm and cozy blend of marshmallow and tonka beans. Juice is a bright fruit-forward scent, strawberry and raspberry with a playful streak. I definitely preferred milk juice, despite me loving citrusy scents. This is just not like...
It's like fruity, but not like a good fruity.
Right. Then like, I like straight up fruit scents, basil,
and the
lime,
the
lemon,
last thing,
orange.
Did you get this in your box?
I think that's
too?
just to...
I think it's just to protect the stuff from breaking.
Protect the hair clip.
No, I know. I just thought that was so funny. But I like that, like, they gave you...
Yeah,
1, 2, 3,
that
4.
milk thing smells very good. I'm gonna be... That's... The juice one is
The
gonna
milk's
go in
good.
my purse. I'm gonna just use it up real fast because I don't like it.
Yeah, I think this box was really good. Good this month. It's really like skincare refresh, you know, like a mascara, an eyeshadow, a hair clip, like what else?
Right, you gotta
what else do you need?
And a lot of them are really good sized.
And yeah, 5 out of the 6 products were full size this month, which is great.
Good job.